Did you know Excel has a built-in X-ray vision tool that shows you exactly which cells feed into any formula and which formulas depend on any cell? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you trace precedents and trace dependence, the auditing trick that saves analysts hours of painful formula detective work every single week. When you open a complex spreadsheet full of formulas, it is nearly impossible to know which cells are connected to which. And when something breaks, you end up clicking through dozens of cells trying to trace the problem manually. Without a visual map of your formula connections, one small error can silently corrupt your entire report without you ever knowing where it started. Here we have a simple sales summary where cell D5 contains a formula that multiplies quantity by price and adds a bonus. Click on cell D5 to select it, then navigate to the Formulas tab in the ribbon at the top of Excel. In the Formula Auditing group, click the Trace Precedents button and watch what happens next. Excel instantly draws blue arrows pointing from every cell that feeds into your selected formula. These are called precedents, the cells your formula depends on. Now click Trace Dependence instead, and Excel draws arrows pointing to every formula that uses your selected cell as an input. You can press Remove Arrows on the same tab to clear the visual when you are done auditing. Now you can see the exact chain of cells connected to any formula. Blue arrows reveal every relationship in your spreadsheet at a glance. If an arrow points to an unexpected cell or a cell you did not intend to include, you have found your error instantly without clicking through hundreds of cells one by one. You just learned how to use trace precedents and trace dependence to visually audit any Excel formula and catch errors in seconds. If this tip saved you from a spreadsheet headache, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop a brand new Excel trick every single day.